Welcome back to another week of Cooking with Square Food. This week we've got a really fantastic leek, feta and tomato bake. A little bit like a Yorkshire pudding, but with the delicious sweetness from the tomatoes, the saltiness from the feta, and the lovely sort of oniony leeks as well. So I really hope you enjoy it. For cooking along with us for another week. I really hope you enjoy this really simple, delicious midweek recipe. I'm going to have a little taste. As always, please send in your pictures and videos. We love to see that you're actually making it as well. And bon appetit.